Hello bakers and welcome back to my channel. Now I'm so sorry that it's been so long since the last video, but as you can probably tell by the new setup, I have just moved flat. To get back into the swing of things though, I've got a brand new recipe inspired by one of the most hilarious shows on London's West End. It's the Book of Mormon. We're serving up a Book of Mormon cake decorated as a Bible, filled with the colours of the Ugandan flag and finished with the iconic doorbell. The Book of Mormon is a multi-award-winning musical brought to you by the creators of South Park. It follows the journey of two Mormon boys that are sent out on a mission to Uganda. Now it's probably most well known for its dark humour that often treads on the line, but if that's your sort of thing, you will absolutely love this show. For the sponges, you'll need to cream the butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. Add your eggs in one at a time with a little flour if it begins to curdle. Next, add in the remaining flour along with your mixed spice and vanilla and then continue to beat until smooth. Split your mix into 3 and then dye them red, black and yellow. Pour your mix into baking tins, level out and bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. The cast of Book of Mormon do an incredible job to bring this witty musical to life. Each Mormon has their own unique personality, but Elder Cunningham is definitely a fan favourite as he goes on quite a journey as a character over the show. It's not an easy musical comedy to pull off, but the cast do a brilliant job at making sure every punchline hits. To decorate, you'll need to whip up some buttercream icing before levelling off your sponges. Sandwich your layers together with some buttercream in between to create the pattern of the Ugandan flag. Next, you need to crumb coat the outside, let it chill in the fridge for an hour, and then finish with a second coat of buttercream. The music in the Book of Mormon is pretty hilarious, covering genres from rock, ballads, and straight up weird, but it's definitely one of those soundtracks you'll want to listen to again and again to hear your favourite quotes. The set is also impressive, taking you on a journey across the world with some great costumes and backdrops. To finish, roll out some white fondant and wrap it around the sides of your cake before using fondant tools to mark out your pages. Next, take some black fondant, roll out to 1/2 centimetre thick and then cut into a rectangle. Place your cake over one half and then fold the remaining half over the top to make your book cover. All that's left to do is cut out your final decorations from white fondant. I've gone for Hello on the sides, which is the opening number from the show, the Book of Mormon on top, and of course the iconic doorbell. Stick your decorations on top of the cake and you're good to go. And there you have it. Say hello to this extra special Book of Mormon cake, complete with a hidden Ugandan flag. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed our Book of Mormon inspired cake. If you did, make sure you like this video, and if you've seen the show, of course comment down below letting me know what you thought. That's all for now, but if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe and I'll see you next time.